Are you tired of mediocre audio quality ruining your content? Looking for that professional broadcast sound that captivates your audience? Let me introduce you to the legendary Shure SM7B microphone, the industry standard that's transformed countless recordings from amateur to extraordinary. When I first got my hands on the Shure SM7B, I immediately understood why this microphone has achieved legendary status among audio professionals. This isn't just another piece of recording equipment, it's a game changer that has graced the studios of countless podcasters, broadcasters, and musicians worldwide. Today, I'm diving deep into what makes this microphone special and whether it deserves a place in your audio arsenal. Let's start with the unboxing experience. The SM7B arrives in a sturdy package that immediately communicates quality. Inside, you'll find the microphone itself, a detachable windscreen, and mounting hardware. The first thing that strikes you is the weight. This is no flimsy piece of equipment. Weighing in at around 1.69 pounds, the SM7B feels substantial in your hands, with a build quality that suggests it could survive a nuclear apocalypse. The design is classic and purposeful. With its sleek black finish and iconic silhouette, the SM7B exudes professionalism. The included windscreen attaches seamlessly to the front of the microphone, providing immediate protection against plosives and breath sounds. This thoughtful design element alone saves hours of frustration in post-production. Now let's talk about what really matters, the sound quality. The Shure SM7B features a dynamic cartridge with a cardioid polar pattern, which means it primarily captures sound from the front while rejecting noise from the sides and rear. This makes it ideal for recording in less than perfect acoustic environments, a godsend for home studios and content creators working in untreated spaces. The frequency response ranges from 50 Hz to 20 kHz, offering a smooth, flat response that captures the natural warmth and character of your voice. What's particularly impressive is how the SM7B handles proximity effect, that bass boost you get when speaking close to the microphone. Rather than becoming muddy or overwhelming, the low end remains controlled and pleasant, adding richness without sacrificing clarity. During my testing, I recorded various vocal performances, from soft-spoken narration to energetic podcast discussions and even some singing. The SM7B handled each scenario with remarkable consistency. My voice came through with a radio-ready quality that required minimal post-processing, exactly what you want from a professional microphone. One of the standout features is the built-in air suspension shock mount. This ingenious internal system effectively isolates the capsule from mechanical noise, meaning those accidental bumps of the microphone's stand or desk vibrations won't ruin your recording. It's a subtle but crucial design element that demonstrates Shure's attention to detail and understanding of real-world recording conditions. The SM7B also includes two frequency response adjustment switches located on the back of the microphone. The first offers a presence boost that adds clarity to vocals, while the second provides a low-frequency roll-off to reduce proximity effect when needed. These simple but effective controls allow you to tailor the sound to your specific voice and recording environment without requiring external processing. Connectivity is straightforward with an XLR output that connects to any standard audio interface or mixer. This professional connection ensures signal integrity and compatibility with industry-standard equipment. It's worth noting that the SM7B does not require phantom power, which simplifies your setup and reduces potential noise issues. Now let's address the elephant in the room, the SM7B's notorious reputation for requiring substantial gain. With a sensitivity of -59 dB VEP-PA, this microphone needs a significant amount of clean amplification to reach optimal recording levels. This isn't necessarily a drawback, but rather a characteristic of its design that prioritizes clean signal over sensitivity. During my testing, I paired the SM7B with several audio interfaces, including entry-level models and more professional options. While the microphone worked with all of them, I found that interfaces with preamps offering at least 60 dB of clean gain produced the best results. For interfaces with less powerful preamps, adding a cloud lifter or similar inline preamp made a world of difference, bringing out the full potential of the SM7B without introducing unwanted noise. Comparing the SM7B to other microphones in its class reveals its unique character. Unlike condenser microphones, such as the Audio-Technica AT2020 or Rode NT1, which tend to capture more room ambience and high-frequency detail, the SM7B focuses on delivering a controlled, broadcast-quality sound that sits perfectly in a mix. It's less about capturing every nuance of your acoustic environment and more about presenting your voice in its most flattering, professional form. Against other dynamic microphones like the Electro-Voice RE20 or the Rode PodMic, the SM7B offers a smoother high-end and more controlled proximity effect. The RE20 provides a similar broadcast quality, but with a different character, slightly brighter and more forward. The PodMic, while excellent for its price point, doesn't quite match the SM7B's refinement and versatility across different vocal types. Let's talk about versatility. While primarily celebrated for vocal applications, the SM7B is surprisingly capable as an instrument microphone. I tested it on acoustic guitar, guitar amplifiers, and even drums, finding it particularly effective on guitar cabinets, where its ability to handle high sound pressure levels without distortion proved invaluable. This versatility makes it an excellent investment for creators who work across different audio mediums. For podcasters and content creators, the SM7B's rejection of background noise is a significant advantage. During testing in a room with computer fans, air conditioning, and typical household sounds, the microphone effectively focused on my voice while minimizing unwanted ambient noise. This characteristic alone can save hours of cleanup work in post-production. Streamers and gamers will appreciate how the SM7B captures clear, present vocals even during intense gaming sessions. The microphone's off-axis rejection means keyboard clicks, controller buttons, and other gaming peripherals are significantly reduced in your stream audio. Combined with its broadcast quality sound, this makes the SM7B a favorite among professional streamers looking to elevate their production value. Musicians will find the SM7B's smooth frequency response and ability to handle high SPLs perfect for recording powerful vocal performances. It's particularly flattering for rock, blues, and jazz vocals, where its warm character and controlled proximity effect complement these genres beautifully. The microphone's legacy in music recording is well established. Michael Jackson's Thriller vocals were famously recorded on an SM7, the predecessor to the current SM7B. Durability is another area where the SM7B excels. The robust metal construction and minimal moving parts mean this microphone can withstand years of regular use. Many studios have SM7Bs that have been in service for decades, still performing flawlessly. This longevity makes the initial investment more palatable. You're buying a tool that will likely outlast many other components in your audio chain. The mounting system deserves special mention. The SM7B features an integrated yoke mount with a lockable positioning system that allows precise adjustment of the microphone angle. This thoughtful design element ensures you can achieve optimal positioning for your recording style, whether you prefer speaking directly into the front of the microphone or at a slight angle for reduced plosives. Now, let's discuss some potential drawbacks. The most significant consideration is the price point. The SM7B represents a substantial investment compared to entry-level microphones. However, when viewed as a professional tool that will serve you for many years, the value proposition becomes clearer. This is a buy-it-once, use-it-forever type of product. The second consideration is the additional equipment potentially required to get the best performance. As mentioned earlier, the SM7B benefits from a high-quality preamp or audio interface with substantial clean gain. For those using entry-level interfaces, an additional inline preamp like the Cloudlifter CL1 might be necessary, adding to the overall investment. The weight and size of the microphone could also be a consideration for some setups. At 1.69 pounds, the SM7B requires a sturdy microphone stand or boom arm. Lightweight desktop stands may struggle to support it properly, especially when extended. I recommend pairing this microphone with a high-quality boom arm that can handle its weight without sagging or drifting. Finally, the SM7B is not the most sensitive microphone available. This characteristic, while beneficial for rejecting background noise, means you'll need to maintain proper microphone technique, speaking relatively close to the capsule for optimal results. For creators accustomed to more forgiving condenser microphones, this might require some adjustment to your recording habits. After extensive testing across various applications, I can confidently say the Shure SM7B lives up to its legendary reputation. It delivers professional, broadcast-quality sound that elevates any content it captures. The combination of exceptional sound quality, versatile performance, and tank-like durability makes it a worthwhile investment for serious content creators. So, don't wait a second longer. Get yours today.